Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Discord server for work. So basically here all you have to do is to create your Discord server. You can open the Discord, desktop or web, click add a server on the left side and then choose create my own for a club or community better for workplaces. You can name it and then once you have named this, then you can now add a logo. So you can create logo using Canva if you want or other platforms. So you have to click this one right here for community and then add a name. For example, for the work, it's Iron Solutions. This one is, or this server is for my employees for Iron Solutions. And then I can now add the logo by tapping this Apple logo right here. Make sure that this one is available or ready to upload. Now, as you can see here in Discord, this Discord is just easy to use. First, you have or you need to organize channels for work. Once you have created your server, on the left side, you can see here text channels. In text channels, you can create announcements, for example, for company news, updates. For general chat, you can use this one for main workspace talk, task or projects for work task sharing. Resources, if you want to share links, files, documents. Help desk for tech issues. Meeting room for tech meeting notes or social coffee. You can also add voice channels for marketing team, design team, quick call, brainstorm room. Once you have added these channels, then basically you can add your members and within the server, you can set up roles and permission. So you can create roles for your members as admin, manager, team lead or team leader, staff, intern, guest clients. So you can also assign permissions like who can manage channels, who can kick or ban, who can create invites, which channels each role can access. Now you can review the roles and then set up. For optional, you can add basic automation bots. So you can use Zapier, you can use Trello bot or Notion bot. After that, you can set up channels for productivity workflow. For example, for task project management, you can connect your Discord to Trello, Notion, Asana, ClickUp, Google Drive, and so on. Once done, establish work rules and communication guidelines, enable server security, customize your server with branding, and create categories, invite your team. Your Discord server is ready. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.